putting yourself on digital world, when you are creating content and everything. You should do it, you can do it, and this will work out. Maybe it will take a bit of more time,
because you are constantly comparing yourself to this person, and that's just so much for my mind. I love watching movies and web series. I do love, going out on weekends. I take the weekends off completely. There was always this hillbilly pushing me, like, you can do it, you can do it.
your younger self was scrolling through your LinkedIn feed, what would she say?
Even one person gets, motivated or inspired by this, that would be like everything to me.
I have two personal questions for you. First is, when the laptop is off, what are the things that Lovely do that you love to do? Like, not that is not related to content creation or a content calendar or DM strategy.
I am actually a person who is mostly working. Probably I work 14, 15 hours a day, and I do not recommend that. It's not like it's a healthy habit. I wouldn't say like do work 14, 15 hours a day. It's just that how my life has become, and I don't mind it. I find it very therapeutic for me. It works for me. That's why I'm doing it, because I know I have longer visions. I have to put this effort. So when I'm starting my laptop, it's almost 11 p.m. So I just have no time to do anything. I just have to have my dinner and have to just go. That's the truth of it all. But having said that, I do enjoy like watching web series is the most. It's like I can watch at any point. Like, I just can watch anything and everything. I love watching movies and web series. I do love, going out on weekends. I take the weekends off completely, so that I can take a break for myself as well. I always take the weekends off. I like to go out. I like to spend some time with my friends, sometimes families. Yeah, that's about it. Very, very simple life I live. I do love traveling, but I don't get to do much often. But still, yeah, I do those things only, like very, very simple life. And yeah, I do not scroll much anymore. I used to scroll a lot, reels and stuff. I don't do that much. I try to focus, like keep the noises out, because that kind of in so much content also can drain your mind, because you are constantly comparing yourself to this person, and that's just so much for my mind. So I don't do scrolling that much anymore, but I do love watching web series, like anything that's dropping, and I'm the fast one probably watching it. So yeah, I do that quite often, and yeah,
That's great. Okay, so the last question. If your younger self was scrolling through your LinkedIn feed, what would she say?
that's actually a good content idea too. I just found that very interesting. Yeah, I do think that she'll be proud, she'll be happy that okay, and she'll be proud. Of course, she will be like, I knew you would do it. I always believed in you, because I, like, my younger version always believed in me. Like, never needed anyone's validation from outside, because there was always this hillbilly pushing me, like, you can do it, you can do it. And I'm sure she's proud, and I am proud of, how far we have come, and I'm proud how I'm able to do the things that she wanted to do. And it's just always onwards and upwards. I just hope I can continue doing all the things that she wanted, or now the version of myself want now. And just, yeah, probably 10 years down the line, looking back, I'll be able to say the same thing about this version, like, I am proud of.
You will be. Okay, so this podcast ends here, but I did literally wanted to talk to you more because I had an amazing time just having this conversation with you, and I resonated with your journey a lot. Why? Because I also come from a very middle class family, and then there are very different steps when you are putting yourself on digital world, when you are creating content and everything. So I also have to go through all of those things. Of course, there are certain other, everyone have their own experience, but everyone have to go through this, especially as a woman. So I'm so proud that you are doing this. I'm so happy that I got to talk to you, and I I just feel proud that I get to know your story and put it out in the world so that it can motivate other people as well, that you can do it. You should do it, you can do it, and this will work out. Maybe it will take a bit of more time. You just have to believe in yourself. So thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to have another conversation with you. And I wish you all the best, and all the best for your company, for your journey, for your growth. Thank you so much for joining, Lovely.
Thank you so much. That was really, really, really sweet of you. And I am so thankful to you for giving me this platform because one point that I always wanted to do, like, if I can even like motivate, motivate is very, cliche word, but if my journey can even, inspire one person, like, who is probably, in that phase in their family probably is not that privileged and they think that, I cannot do something. I just want to let you know that you can. Like, the world probably is not fair for you right now, but you can still make it work. You have the potential, you have the skills. If you have the skills, you can do it. So if even one person gets, motivated or inspired by this, that will be like everything to me. So thank you for giving such platform to, voices like ours, and for being such a good host with such great questions. I love the questions, I would be very, very honest. That was really thoughtful, that was very well researched, I would say, which is not so seen very often with the, boom of ChatGPT. People just want to copy paste everything, but I just loved how well researched those questions were. Thank you so much for being such an amazing host, and I look forward to having another chat with you as well.
For sure. That's why I made Creator IRL, because right now everyone wants the big names, very, very big names on their channel. But I want to share the real struggle behind every creator, behind every content. There are a lot of stories that need to be published so that people should be inspired, not by the, theories people make just to be viral on internet, but the real stories, that's what happening in people's lives. So yeah, I will have you on another podcast for sure very soon. So for now, thank you so much, and have a great day.
Have a great day.